Thank you.
This is much fun. Oh.
Nana, please, the present.
Okay. Open my present.
What's in it?
Nana, please, the present.
No, Nana did. See, Nana has hers on. Help Granny open hers. Help Granny.
Help Granny open
Look
hers?
and see what she has in her box.
Let's see what it is.
Oh, boy! All right.
I got peaches too.
Look, guys, here's one for you.
Cute.
One's for Iris. You gonna open it? Let's open it and see what Santa got.
Those are nice, Granny.
You rather open mine first? You don't want to open yours? That's fine.
Oh, wait,
This is for you. That is for Daddy.
Hey, you want to help me open it? Here, right here.
Whoa! Huh? We need a trash bag to put all this in, huh?
Put it over here with all this toys.
Do we need a trash bag?
Here, here.
You're so silly.
Oh.
What's in there? What's in there? It's a book. Look, put it in the bag. That's what we'll do. There, that's great. You did good.
Ooh.
Ooh, Daddy, oh, those are cute.
Daddy got PJs too.
Daddy got PJs
Wow.
too. That's for you. That's Irish's present.
You and Nana help you open it?
Nana, me.
Nana help her. Okay. Somebody else got the video. Turn around. It's videoing. Let's pull it apart. Come on. Ooh. What do I see in there? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, pull it. What is that? Do you know? Do you know what it is? Oh, it's a game. Oh, we get to play. Yay! Are you excited? What is that, Candyland? Yeah. I played Candyland when I was a little girl. Can we play after a while?
Yeah.
Okay. Now what you gonna do?